How to delete your Instagram story permanently. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily delete your Instagram story permanently. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let us jump right into the video. The first thing that you need to do is open up your Instagram app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you have done that, you can just go ahead and tap on your story. And once you find your story, all you have to do is tap on the more option like this and then tap on delete. What it will do is it will completely delete your story. And as you can see, you can restore unarchived stories for 24 hours or 30 days for archived stories from recently deleted activity. So just tap on delete, and once you do that, your story will be deleted. Now, you can find it for 24 hours on your archives and your recently deleted. So head over to your settings, tap on your activity, and then tap on recently deleted. And here you'll find your recently deleted story. So just tap on it. And if you want to delete it permanently, you can just tap on delete and it will be permanently deleted. And if you want to delete your previous story, you can go ahead and tap on archives, select story archives, and then delete the particular story that you want to delete. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.